Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, I've decided I'm going to start working on the upper control arm mounts. So, on this kit that I ordered for these upper torque box plates, on their website it says that it's meant for the angles of their differential housing, and as you can see, it does not quite line up for the stock differential housing. It is what it is. You'll see there's some trimming I'm going to have to do on this to make it work. These outside plates do not line up really at all. A little bit of grinding that's going to have to happen on the inside plates just to make the bar fit better, but not too bad. So that's where we're going to start grinding the plates, trying to get this top bar to fit, and then move from there. I did pull the axle out from under the car because I started messing around with it and really just there wasn't enough room to get under there, support everything, make sure everything was straight and square. So this is how we're doing it. Anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done this week. All right, a little shorter video this week. Spent a lot of time just trying to figure out what I need to do to make this work. Plus it's been pretty cold, so it's hard to get motivated to come out in the garage when it's this cold out. So still making progress though. I think I need to tack weld the bar here to the inner plates so that everything stays in place where I think it needs to be, and then start grinding a little more on the outer plates and getting those to where they fit just a little bit better, and so I don't take out too much material, which I might have already done. I might have to actually get the outer plate remade on this one side, but we'll see how it comes together as I keep going. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.